Well, here we are. Today's the big day. What's going to be happening is we're driving up to Liverpool, drop Jenine off for a hen do, and then me and the dog, where is the dog? Me and the dog are going to be going to the Peak District. We're staying on a campsite, and then we're going to be doing a nice big hike tomorrow morning, and then if all goes well, pick Jenine back up on Sunday. I can hear the dog crying. Krypto, where are you? Let's see where you are. Hello. You're a good boy. Come on now. Come on, up. Yes, so we are off to the Peak District. We're going to be doing a massive hike. Krypto absolutely loves the van, as you can tell. He's literally can't wait. He can't wait for bedtimes. He loves the exploring. So Janine's not feeling all that well actually, so plans could change. There's a good chance that she might actually ditch the hen do and come with me to the Peak District, but she won't be doing the hike. She's probably not going to be well enough for that, so we'll just have to see what happens. I'll catch you in a bit. I'll give you an update when we're, on the way. Van's getting full now. Really full. Up. Good boy.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know.
They're off to Maidstone.
Oh, are they?
Yeah. Have a good time. Yeah, wish us luck. We've got 7 hours of traffic now, I reckon. See you later.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
Sorry, I'll see you in a couple of days.
Yeah.
Right, don't eat your dad and don't eat him, alright?
Oh, right, love you.
Good boy, love you.
Miss ya. Yeah, I'm going to miss your cooking. We are off, so I've just dropped Jenine off. She's going to have a good time, I'm sure. She's feeling a bit better now, which is good. I think she might enjoy herself. I'm hoping she does. I've got a little bit of a drive now. Sat nav saying an hour and 20 minutes. Weather up here is dreadful, by the way. But yeah, so I'm on my way to Hayfield now, which is a caravan and camping site. I'm going to be staying there for the next couple of nights. And Jenine won't be back with me until Sunday, and that's when we head off and do our Welsh leg of the tour. We're going to start up in Conway and then work our way down the coast until we end up in Barry Island, basically. Hopefully the weather's good tomorrow because I've got a huge hike to do. It's about 7.5 miles. I'm going around Kinder Scout, which is the tallest mountain in the Peak District. Me and Krypto are going to be doing it, and it's going to be interesting because I've never really done a proper hike like that before. I've done lots of dog walking, but I've never done a hike like that. here we are. We've arrived. So, new arrivals stop here. Oh no, I think that is not going to work. You've been such a good boy. There we go. Then I'll do all of these. And now, yeah, there we go. And then I'm gonna cook some tea, beer. So I've just been out for a nice walk with Krypto. Luckily I only needed one poo because there was only one poo bag left. I didn't take the camera with me because it's absolutely chucking it down. Nice beers, these are from Aldi. The Rocker Hula Tropical IPA. So yeah, it's very nice. It's a lovely beer, I've had these a few times. Cheers. I've not had a great deal to eat today, so I've just whacked the old air fryer out. I mean, this feels frozen, this butter. I don't know how well that's going to go. Yeah, that is. It's warming up, isn't it? Yeah, that's just not going to work. Don't want to do it there, I think it might fall off. Let's get some of this off. And pop it in here. There it is. Oh. I think I should have had that out first. There we go. Is that now going to spread? There we go, it's spreading now. I'm sure that Jenine is going to watch back on this video and absolutely wet herself at how cack-handed I am without her. Because, I'll be honest, I don't really do a lot of this stuff. Jenine does it all for me, which I'm very grateful for. So now we pop that on top of there. We get our cheese. Perfect. I'm surprised Krypto's not trying to get my cheese, he's knackered. Bit of ham. That's it. And then I'll lift that up, put that one on there. And that goes inside there. Like so. Lovely. Right now you just got to try and get this thing out without burning your hands off. So let's... Jesus, that's hot. There we go. Nice little cut in the middle. Oh, sorry. Did I wake you? Ooh, there we go. Lovely. Now don't get me wrong, when Janine's been in here, she has made some cracking dinners. I can't do the dinners. This is about as best as my skill set gets. I can do sausage and eggs and stuff, but I'm not doing that. I'm gonna do some sausages in the morning, which reminds me I need to get them out of the fridge because they're still frozen. So I'm gonna do some sausages for tomorrow. So I can take some up for Krypto and for myself up Kinder Scout. But for now, I'm gonna tuck into my oh yeah, that's good. Morning. I had a good night's sleep. Raring to go actually. It's coming up to 9 o'clock, so I want to get going in a minute. I'm estimating it's probably going to take about 6 hours. I think the hike's actually 4.5, but I'm going to stop, do some filming, photography on the way. Sit. Good boy. There you go. Yeah, I'm going to stop and do some filming and photography on the way. Good boy. And we're off. Just started our hike. It's bloody blowy, so I don't think I'm going to get the drone out, but we'll see. Good boy. Jesus, it's a bit steep, isn't it? As you can probably tell, because I'm expecting my mic is making a lot of noise right now, it's far too windy up here for me to fly my drone, which is a shame because I really wanted to get a nice shot of this reservoir. I'll just show you it. It really is. And those trees, I wanted to go over there, I wanted to fly over that house. It would have been nice. Whew. This is probably all going to get cut out because of this horrible mic noise. Excellent. See you in a bit. Yeah. As you can see, I've got a poo bag swinging around on my lead. There's no bins anywhere. I don't know if you can see, but the sun is trying to come out. And the further you get into this walk, the most scenic it gets. It really is. I'm able to cross little streams that are coming down. I'm assuming this is an old riverbed of some description, or that's an old riverbed. Krypto's loving it. He's every stream he's stopping at, getting himself a drink. I did bring water for him. I didn't realise there'd be so many natural streams here. The wind seems to have calmed down a bit. Yeah, I'm literally just walking through sort of valleys now. You honestly wouldn't think that you was in England. Well, especially for me, considering I'm from down south. Supposedly the Garden of England. But yeah, it's as flat as a bowling green down there. Jesus. It's quite a challenging walk. You won't want to fall off these, would you? You know what I'm saying? It's just sheer uphill now. God, my legs are actually burning right now, which is just what you want. Now, I don't know this is just me being really tired. I think that is the top for me. I hope so, because I'm getting to the point now I'm regretting my life choices. I'm not gonna lie, my legs are gone, they're dead. And you know, I said earlier I thought this was the top. It's not. The top's over there. It's just as high, it's even higher. It's basically the same again as what I've just done. I'm not sure I can do it, I really ain't. A little rest, didn't we? My legs are like jelly. I'm so close. And then you can just see behind me where that people are just going. That's the top. It doesn't look very far, but trust me, the camera does not do it justice. It's almost like, you know, almost like climbing a bloody ladder. That's what it feels like. Yes, we're going. Go on then. Oh, I've let go of his lead. Wait, good boy. Good boy. Oh my good God. Oh dear. Just a little bit more to go. It just seems the higher I get, and I see the top and I think that's it. And then I get to that bit and there's just more. I mean, I was told this is the most challenging part. And you can see why. Let me just show you. I mean, it literally is just, a steep staircase. It just goes on and on and on. I mean, you can see that's where I come up. Just over in the distance is the reservoir we walked past. So yeah, it said moderate in difficulty. I don't think moderate would be this hard. Oh God, I thought I was there. I really did. I've just got to the top and look, it just carries on. Hard bit's done now, although it's windy up here. I didn't put anything on the floor in case it gets blown away. But now we've reached the top, it's kind of levelled out. It's a bit of an easier walk. I'm going to find somewhere that's a little bit out of the wind so I can have my sandwich and maybe just look at the views for half hour, have a bit of a break. It's Krypto, I both need it, and then get cracking on with the rest of the walk. See you in a bit. One thing that I did forget to bring with me was some bloody tissues, because my nose has started to run where it's so bloody cold up here. I'm actually really hot, I'm sweating a lot, but the actual wind is really cold on my face, and I really could do with blowing my nose. I've got no tissues. I'm literally debating opening up the first aid kit and taking a bandage out just so I can blow my nose, because it really does need doing. So if I've got any boogers, then I am sorry. Also, we're practically up the top now. Just had my sandwich, sit down for 20 minutes, feel a little bit better. Yeah, so there we are. just down around about, I want to say there. That's where our campsite is. Yeah, we've just got this little tiny bit here to go, and then I think we start a descent. I'm just glad that I made it to the top. I was a little bit worried that I wouldn't. Leading the way, ain't ya? Hey? Always dragging me along. So there we are. That's the top of Kinder. All the way around. Busy up here, isn't it? Busy up here, isn't it, Krypto? So we're going down now, and I don't know, I actually thought it'd be easier going down. I think I prefer going up because it really hurts your knees going down. Really hurts your knees. Krypto seems to be in a massive rush, so he's yanking me on the lead as well, which is just wonderful. Jesus, he went over. Finally, although I'll show you in a second. I was just about to say, actually, we've turned off of the main trail now and we're on a different trail, so there's not a lot of people along this bit. I mean, we're at the trail I was just on just a second ago. There was probably 30 people in front of me and behind me, and we're all slowing each other up, and it was getting kind of frustrating because Krypto wanted to say hello to everybody, and I'm tired. I just want to get back now. I mean, just look at that. Just look at that. Oh, here he comes. Oh, we're having a little play. Zoomies. You having a zoomies? Go on then, have the zoomies. Somehow, just walked 6 or 7 miles and you've still got energy to zoom around. Makes no sense whatsoever. Coming in. Oh, good boy. Anyway, I'm gonna play my dog. See you in a bit. It really does look a long way away, even with my eyes. I'm thinking that's, don't know. Keep looking at my map and thinking, it don't look that far now, but actually it is. I'm looking forward to getting home and having a beer. If there was a pub on this route, I think I would have stopped. Finally, I feel like we're getting somewhere. I'm now actually on a bit of tarmac. It's the first time I've seen tarmac since I left the car park this morning. What you got? So Dad, I've got a stick, look. Anyway, Krypto is, he's had a nice day. It's been really good. And there's the poo bag, still on the lead. And this is the first bin. Excellent. Right, so I'm back in the van now. It was a tough walk. My legs are still feeling a bit sore. I think I'm going to be all right tomorrow, but I'm not entirely sure. We'll find out in the morning. Will I do it again? Maybe it's because, you know, I'm just not fit enough for that kind of level of walking yet. I stupidly thought to myself that it's just walking. How hard can it be? But it's not just walking, it's walking up a massive hill. You will see me in the next video because this is my last night in Hayfield. Tomorrow, pick Jenine up and we're heading over to Conway, which is in North Wales, near Llandudno Junction. I'm probably going to do a little bit of filming down there. I'll see you later.
It's a good